Good morning, everybody. Okay, today we're going to install my new little item here. It's a tuner stack for this carburetor, which will give it more high-speed velocity, and plus a regular filter won't fit on this thing anyway, which I hate them. It gives the motorcycle a terrible mixture ratio. Okay, here's the filter, it comes with it. It's foam and it's also screen. Most bikes that you see that are race prepared only use a screen, but I want to use the foam because I might go into some dusty areas. Okay, so we're gonna take this thing apart and install it. Okay, just watch how I install this. See, it's like a gasket, it's double-sided. It goes on it like this. Okay, this filter goes in there like that. Okay, but you want to put the filter side in this way, so that way the engine doesn't. Now you put these little lock nuts in there. There's 3 of them. When you put this in, you make sure it's flush in the lip so it's easy to put on the carb like that. As you can see, okay? And then get the right size Allen wrench, put it on and tighten it down, and there you go, it's installed. Okay, there you go. It's installed.